Hello guys, welcome to my first video. Oh, sorry, there's something on my keyboard. What is that thing? It's a bug. Okay, you might know the background noise. What? Let me move, game. Alright. Oh, okay. So, in this video, I will be taking care of Pop. Because look at all his needs. No, is he sick? Is he sick? Pop, come on. I know you, I know you need a shower. I will get other pets stinky. Boo. Are those tornadoes? I had a dream last night about tornadoes. Let me see if you want your dream pet. I don't want my dream pet. I don't know, wait. It's called a dream pet for a reason. Everyone's like surrounding her. Should I? Yeah, well, should I do it? Should I do it? I'll go first. Alright, hold on. I don't want mine. I'm too lazy. I will wait until the day I meet a famous TikToker. No! No. Nope, it's a scammer. It's a scammer! It's a scammer! Hold up, let me make sure it's... I think it's a scammer. Guys, it's a scammer. I can't stop saying that. It's a scammer! I'm not positive, but I'm pretty sure it is a scammer. Okay, give Crow. Gonna lead the game. I don't believe it. Bro, leave! She's like getting into my... Girl, I'm trying to record. I'm trying to record, okay? Stop, I'm trying to record. This thing is... Oh my god! Let me ride it. My keys are so bad. Mm. He needs a shower. Let's go to my house. And get out of all this chaos. No, I don't like that game. I like the other one. Why did I sound like that? Wait, hold up. I have a lot of pets in my inventory. I just noticed that. I lost my house. Oh wait, it's right by the... It's right by the entrance. I'm in the exit or entrance or whatever you consider it. Hold up. Hold up. Let's get... I'm sorry, y'all. Wee. Wee. That is the worst heart I've ever done. Oh my goodness. That was a horrible heart. Let me move. Alright. I'll drop paper. So guys, let's stop right and go. Give him a top. But first, I don't have the best house yet. So this is where I stand when I'm like doing like a party about like random stuff. This is the bathroom. Okay. He likes soggy bread. Okay, he likes soggy bread. Nobody likes soggy bread, actually. Come on, Poppy. I mean, Pop. Come on, Pop. Unicycle! Okay, where do I... It sounds so weird. Sorry. 6 feet tall and super. Bro, someone's singing in chat right now. Someone said 6 feet tall and super strong. They're singing super fruit, bro. How did you get in my house? I locked my doors. Get out. Get out. Yep, she got kicked out. It's on my door. I don't believe you. You just said I promise. I gave someone a crow. But why did that person break into my house? Are they like poor or something? Are they are they poor? I bet you they're poor. Please, I'm so poor. Oh, they were poor. You dyed your cat pink to look like a pink cat, and you named it Pink Cat. You've had fake animals. Okay. My dream pet, Capricorn. I mean, if I wanted my pet, what would I give her, y'all? My dream pet is a bat dragon. I'm uh OMG. OMG. Smiley face. I don't know her. Is she like famous or something? Oh no, she got her dream pet. Oh, thank you so much. That's so nice. Aw, no way. I would be screaming, but I have nothing to do. Okay, nothing. I have nothing to give. Well, I don't know what to give you. Hmm, I don't believe her. OMG. See, me too. I don't think you're so nice. I don't think you can trade candy coin. That was a scam. But this is definitely not a scam. So you have to give her something, I think. Oh my gosh, she's asking the block. She is asking everybody. Trade Tina. Yeah, I don't. I mean, like, You want a pet. That's Love Dragon. I want to trade her, okay? Okay, but I mean, I don't have. Don't ask why its name is Corgi, okay? I don't have that many pets. I don't have good pets, okay? It's time for school. We're legit in school right now. How many pets do I need to give her? Which which one? Oh my gosh. I want to give her. I don't know what to do. Saber Tiger. Yeah, no, she left. Bye. Come on, puppy. Hello. She just said hello question mark. Not to me. In chat. Mm. Well, I legit want my dream pet, but I want my dream pet. It's just I don't know what to give her. Okay, I don't know what to give her. I have nothing to give her. So I'm hungry. But she's so happy she got a Capricorn. Joyce. Who's Joyce? Uh, did they leave? Or did they teleport? They could have teleported. I need my dream pet. I'll trade anything for a fly ride bat dragon. I'll trade anything. Have a wonderful day. Blood. Who said blood in chat? Dang. Why am I reading the chat? Just chat scripts. Chat scripts! Because I don't like group calls. Me neither. This is pretzel. I mean, this is pretzel. Pretzel! Yeah, it's fine though. Dang. What's fine? What's fine? What's fine that you had to say dang in the chat? Why am I zoomed in? I am half dead. You can't be half dead. You can fully be alive, or you could be dead. Okay? They had to be alive or dead. Alright? You can't be half alive, half dead. Okay? You can't. I mean, if they're not. Who has a lava dragon? I'm sorry, I'm mocking people right now. Bro. Birthday party, you must pay, and I give you. I don't want. This channel won't only be about gaming. Okay? It'll be about gymnastics. I mean, cheerleading, gaming, and gaming. No, cheerleading, gaming, and other stuff. And I can't think of, but other stuff, of course. All these people are like, we're rich. This is the most annoying pop I have ever gotten. Sure. Let's go. Let's go. I need more. It's corn. I don't like that song actually. Jeff. Jeff is my dream pet. Okay. So this person is a neon collector and maker. I gotta go to bed. Do you have school in the morning or something? Like very soon in 2 minutes. So then just get offline. For class. Oh, they have school tomorrow. Oh, that would be under. You know. Okay, I'm gonna trade someone and then I'm gonna duh. Panda. What? Oh, they're gonna eat dinner. I have Mega Bat. I just dropped. Yes. What am I reading that voice? Okay. I'm horrible at this game. Kind of. Sort of. I remember. Yeah, Cap. That has to be Cap. I'd like to see it. Yeah, I'd like to see it too. After game. After game. After game. Okay. Let me move my keys. My keys. Why am I so glitched? Oh, I'm sorry about my background. I just